For nearly 4 decades, VOCO has been a global leader in restorative dental materials, delivering high-performance, science-driven solutions to the operatory. Now, VOCO proudly introduces GrandioSO for You, a new class of universal composite that combines the most important features of 4 restorative materials into one. GrandioSO for You offers the aesthetics of an anterior composite, the strength of a posterior nano-hybrid, the speed and depth of cure of a bulk fill material, and the simplicity of a shade-optimized restorative. The culmination of 25 years of innovation, GrandioSO for You streamlines restorative workflows, reduces chair time and inventory, and enhances aesthetics, truly representing a new class of universal composite designed with the clinician in mind. At the core of GrandioSO for You's performance is a record-breaking 91% filler load, resulting in only half of the resin of traditional composites. This advanced nano-hybrid formulation delivers ultra-low polymerization shrinkage, only 1.44% by volume, high wear and stain resistance, and outstanding long-term stability. With a modulus of elasticity of 15.7 gigapascals, GrandioSO for You mimics the natural flex of dentin, helping restorations absorb chewing forces and maintain marginal integrity for years. GrandioSO for You combines the strength and beauty of an anterior composite with the speed and efficiency of a bulk fill. Its 4mm depth of cure in just 10 seconds without compromising aesthetics is made possible by VOCO's exclusive visual transformation technology. Before curing, GrandioSO for You's controlled translucency allows light to penetrate deeply for fast polymerization. After curing, it transforms to a natural opacity, providing the superior aesthetics of a traditional composite with the efficiency of a bulk fill. GrandioSO for You is indicated for all cavity classes 1 through 5, in both anterior and posterior regions. It's equally suited for core buildups, indirect repair, and aesthetic restorations, offering one solution for virtually every case. GrandioSO for You's cluster shade system covers all 16 classic Vita shades with just 5 cluster shades: A1, A2, A3, A3.5, and A4. Each cluster shade adapts naturally to surrounding tooth color, ensuring a seamless blend and reducing inventory complexity. Clinicians will appreciate GrandioSO for You's exceptionally high radiopacity of 900% aluminum, providing excellent contrast on X-rays. This clarity makes it easy to detect margins, recurrent decay, and restorative interfaces with confidence. Due to its more than 50% reduced resin content, GrandioSO for You offers a smooth, non-sticky consistency that adapts perfectly to cavity walls and maintains shape during placement. Despite its high surface hardness, it polishes effortlessly to a long-lasting, brilliant shine using standard techniques. Thanks to its minimal water absorption, just 9.1 micrograms per cubic millimeter, restorations resist staining and retain their gloss, delivering durable aesthetics that last. GrandioSO for You embodies everything clinicians expect from VOCO's GrandioSO family. Record-breaking 91% filler for exceptional strength, dentin-like elasticity and low shrinkage for longevity, a simplified 5-shade system for efficient aesthetics, and 4mm depth of cure in just 10 seconds offers speed without compromise. For every restoration, from anterior beauty to posterior durability, choose the composite that performs for you. GrandioSO for You. Strength, speed, simplicity. A new class of universal composite.